Let me tell you about my inner voice and its opinion on the Palestine-Israel issue. My inner voice helps me distinguish between what is right and what is wrong, and it torments my conscience when I make a mistake. It also encourages me to do good deeds. You could say it's a positive internal voice. My inner voice tells me that our brothers and sisters in Palestine need us. It reminds me that we should not be afraid, even though it knows that we might ultimately face death. It reminds me that as Muslims, we are obligated to support and stand up for our fellow Muslims. It tells me that our brothers and sisters are being oppressed, and it questions why we should be afraid. We are not politicians or diplomats, we are Muslims. If anyone threatens us or our honor, my inner voice tells me that we have a sword between us and them, and it will be either victory or death. For this reason, we want the borders to open, and if they don't, then the Arab governments become our enemies. I am confident that you, too, can hear my inner voice telling you the same things.